Hala dağıttılar o bizde.
The helicopter crash that claimed the lives of Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi and Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian may have been due to a missing or deactivated transponder, according to an initial investigation by the Turkish rescue team that located the wreckage. Turkish Transport Minister Abdulkadir Oraloglu reported that upon learning of the crash, Turkish authorities attempted to detect a signal from the helicopter's transponder, which transmits altitude and location information. Unfortunately, he believed the transponder system was either turned off or the helicopter was not equipped with one, he stated. It also emerged that Iranian officials had urged the government in a memo to purchase 2 Russian helicopters for its leaders due to concerns about the maintenance of its aging helicopter fleet. Former Foreign Affairs Minister Mohammad Javad Zarif has blamed US sanctions for the difficulty in obtaining spare parts for Iran's aging helicopter fleet, claiming the crash will be recorded in the blacklist of American crimes against the Iranian nation. The crashed helicopter was a Bell 212, a 2-blade aircraft capable of carrying 15 people. An investigation team has arrived at the crash site in East Azerbaijan province to determine if weather checks were conducted before the flight. Notably, 2 other helicopters in the group completed the journey safely and there have been no serious allegations of sabotage. 5 days of mourning have been declared, with President Raisi's funeral scheduled for Wednesday, during which the entire country will be closed. An election to choose a successor is anticipated by the end of June, likely on the 21st. The helicopter crash occurred on Sunday morning in thick fog in a remote mountainous region of northern Iran, severely hindering rescue efforts. Even if Red Crescent crews had arrived sooner, the chances of saving lives were slim. The charred bodies were discovered by a Turkish government surveillance drone after the fog lifted and the sun rose on Monday morning. State media reported that the aircraft had hit the mountain and disintegrated on impact, leaving no signs of life. President Raisi and his entourage were returning from the province, where he had attended the opening of the Jiz Galasi hydroelectric complex, a joint project between Iran and Azerbaijan on the Aras border river. The helicopter crash claimed the lives of all 9 occupants, creating a leadership vacuum that hardliners are expected to swiftly attempt to fill before the upcoming presidential elections scheduled within 50 days. A provincial timetable has been established, leading to a late June election.
Hala dağıttılar o bizde.